So you have, if you're going to apply to companies, firstly you got to change your profile picture from being somebody who's playing a game to somebody who looks like he can work at a company. Here you look like some guy who's just playing video games, right?
Hey guys, I'm Rahul Sehgal. I'm a game industry veteran. I've been making games since 2008 and I have also been teaching games design and production and teaching people how to make video games for the last 10 years. I've taught more than 3,000 students on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram and through Discord and through email. I have been getting a lot of questions. I have been getting questions from people who are confused about what to do, people who want to go from gamer to maker and don't know how to start. They don't know if they should be designers or programmers or artists. They don't know if they should do a game course. If they do want to do a game course, they don't know what game course to do. They don't know how to make a break in the industry. There are so many questions around that I keep getting, and there is actually no one to actually answer these questions, which is why I have started the Gamer to Maker helpline to help people who want to go from being gamers to makers. Now, on today's helpline, I'm going to be talking to Aman. Aman is doing his BTech and he's actually done some online courses on Udemy and Coursera. He wants to be a game maker, but he's still really lost. He doesn't know what exactly game design is. He doesn't know the roles. He doesn't know how to build his portfolio. So I'm going to be talking about these and lots of other very important topics, and you will be able to see each one of these topics and go to them by clicking on the timestamp below this video. Also, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can apply to talk to me on the Gamer to Maker helpline. And before I forget, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you get notified every single time I post a helpline or other video. Also, follow me on Instagram, upyourgame.mentor, where I post lots of content, exclusive content, tips, hacks, and also lives and interviews with game industry professionals.
Hi Aman, hope you're doing well. Tell us about yourself, please.
Sir, I am a third year student pursuing electronics engineering
Okay.
from Nagpur, Sri
Okay.
Ramdev Baba College.
Okay.
I have heard about game development in this lockdown,
Okay.
in the May last
Right.
year,
Right.
which helped me to think about what game development is, like how to develop game, what are the different game engines, and how I can make my own game.
Right.
After that, I thought that I really like this field because the main reason was because I can create my own world here. Like
Right.
even if it's a small Mario game,
Mm-hmm.
it is what I created. That's why I like this field.
Right. Okay.
The thing which I code or I design is my
Mm-hmm.
own.
Okay. Cool.
And
Do you have any, have you made any games?
yes, I have made small games like Flappy Bird,
Okay.
and few of my games were from the Coursera assignment only,
Okay.
including one was a Super Mario Brother games,
Mm-hmm.
similar to the Mario games,
Right.
Roller Madness, Box Shooters, and I
Right.
participated in one game jam also,
Okay.
recently organized by Blackthorn Prod, in which we were a team of three,
Mm-hmm.
and I was mainly for the 3D models, 3D
Okay.
artist, and I handled the lightning scenes.
Okay. So tell me about what games do you play?
So I usually play hyper casual games.
Okay. You like play hyper casual games. Okay. On your phone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, on phone.
Okay. All right. So also tell me about, do you understand the different roles of game development? Do you understand there is something called game design, then there is game programming, and then there is game art, etc. Are you aware of the separation of roles in game development? What
Yes,
are the
sir. Yes, sir.
okay. And do you know what kind of role you want for yourself? Like, what discipline do you want to be? Do you want to be an artist or a programmer or a designer? What do you want to do? Do you know that?
So actually, I'm slightly confused.
Okay.
Sir, like in game design, I know that we plot each and everything, like from what the character is, how it is going to walk, or how it is going to run, what is the world is. We are going to write each and every small details. While
Exactly.
in the art, we are making them.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
So I'm like confused. Like I haven't explored enough of them. So I can use Hindi also, or it's
आप हिंदी में
just
बात करो, आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो, इंग्लिश में बात करते हो, वट एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल. आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए, कोई बात नहीं है. मैं आई कैन रिप्लाई इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी बोथ, नो प्रॉब्लम.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर। सर तो उसमें से कि मैं थोड़ा-सा कन्फ्यूज़ हूँ, लाइक कि मुझे आर्ट भी अभी जैसे मैंने रिसेंटली माया में एक्सप्लोर करा 3D डिज़ाइन्स। सो आई एम लाइकिंग दैट आल्सो, बट आई एम मोर ऑन द गेम डिज़ाइन पार्ट। लाइक मुझे मेन गेम डिज़ाइन में परस्यू करना है, बट साइड में सबको नॉलेज थोड़ा-थोड़ा लेते चलना है।
आप कंफ्यूज्ड हो कि मैं क्या करूं. राइट, व्हाट शुड आई डू.
So, are you confused? Are you lost about how to make video games, how to be a game maker? Perhaps you don't know who to ask about game design or game art or roles or education or some topic when it comes to making games. Well, then you need to register for the Gamer to Maker Nitro. This is a free live event that I'm having on the 24th and 25th of July 2021, which is Saturday and Sunday. And in this event, you will be able to clarify your doubts and learn a lot about game design, game production, and lots of other topics. Now, this event is going to be where I help you to formulate a game career strategy and build a step-by-step process so that you can achieve your goals of being a game maker. And to register for this event, the link is in the description of this video.
एक एटलीस्ट आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत क्लियर है अमन. यू हैव अ वेरी गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि मतलब गेम डिजाइन क्या होती है. ठीक है, यू हैव अ वेरी क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि गेम आर्ट क्या होता है, एंड आई थिंक यू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि गेम प्रोग्रामिंग क्या होती है. ठीक है,
यस
अपार्ट
सर।
फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ कोर्स टेस्टिंग इज ऑल्सो देयर, बट फॉर द मोमेंट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दैट. सो दीज आर द 3 or 4 डिसिप्लिन्स. नाउ अगर जो ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं like yourself who want to get into games, उन्हें मतलब गेम बनाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन को समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि यार मैं या तो प्रोग्रामिंग करूं, या तो डिजाइन करूं, या तो आर्ट करूं, व्हाट शुड आई डू. राइट, सो अ वेरी गुड वे. एंड आपको प्रोग्रामिंग आती है?
यस सर।
कौन सी लैंग्वेजेस आती है?
सर सी शार्प, actually I enjoy programming in C sharp. I know the sound knowledge of Python also, but I didn't like using Python.
ओके.
So the main reason is, it might sound like a vague, but the main reason is indentations नहीं रहते Python में, like brackets नहीं रहते, and I love the way how functions work in C sharp.
ओके, फेयर इनफ, फेयर इनफ. सो ऐसा है कि यू हैव टू एट सम पॉइंट मेक अ चॉइस. यू नो प्रोग्रामिंग, बट यू आर ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टेड इन डिजाइन. तो आई वुड से आपका नंबर 1 चॉइस डिजाइन है एट दिस पॉइंट.
Yes sir.
ठीक है, तो मैं आपको बताता हूं गेम डिजाइनर बनने में, गेम डिजाइन बनने में व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. यू एज अ गेम डिजाइनर एसेंशियली आपके दिमाग में गेम बनने से पहले बन चुकी है, आपके दिमाग में बन चुकी है. ठीक है, अब तक किसी ने गेम बनाई नहीं, लेकिन अगर जो आप गेम डिजाइनर हो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द गेम इन योर हेड बिफोर एवरीबडी एल्स. दैट्स योर जॉब. ओके,
Yes sir.
तो मतलब आंख बंद करके या खुली आंख करके आप एक्चुअली गेम खेल सकते हो इन योर माइंड. ठीक है, नाउ एज अ डिजाइनर आपका रोल होगा कि बाकी सब लोगों को समझाओ कि व्हाट इज द गेम. राइट,
Yes
गेम
sir.
प्रोग्रामर को आपको समझाना होगा. गेम प्रोग्रामर बोलेगा ठीक है, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द कोड फॉर द गेम. तो कैरेक्टर है, कैरेक्टर क्या करेगा? यू विल से अच्छा कैरेक्टर वॉक करेगा, वॉक करने के लिए ये कंट्रोल्स होंगे. रन करेगा, रन करने के लिए ये कंट्रोल्स होंगे. सिंगल जंप करेगा, ठीक है, जंप करने के लिए कंट्रोल्स होंगे। फिर लेवल 3 में जाके उसको जब पावर अप मिलेगा फिर उसको डबल जंप मिलेगा। ठीक है, कौन सा पावर अप मिलेगा, आप कैसे डिजाइन करोगे लेवल ताकि उसको पावर अप मिलेगा, फिर जब पावर अप मिलेगा उसका जंप कितना हाई होगा, राइट,
Yes, sir.
कितने पिक्सल्स का जंप होगा, ये सब आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा। और आपको ये सब यू विल हैव टू
Write
टेल
it
दिस टू
down.
प्रोग्रामर्स। सो यू एंड ये सब दिस इज बोल के कोई फायदा नहीं है, राइट, यू हैव
Yes,
टू राइट
sir.
डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, इसमें डॉक्यूमेंटेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट। सो गेम डिजाइनर का सबसे बड़ा रोल क्या होता है, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
तो यू विल हैव टू talk to designers, you will have to talk to artists, you will have to talk to programmers, you will have to talk to all the different people in the team, and you will have to make them understand what exactly it is. And once they have made it, you have to check it, you have to play it and
Yes.
see is it okay, is this how it's supposed to be. If it's not, then you have to say yaar ye thoda theek nahi hai, this is not according to what it was supposed to be, can you please change it. So this coordination and this telling people what exactly the game is, this is your job as a game designer. तो इसमें दो चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है। लोग बोलते हैं इमेजिनेशन वगैरह, ठीक है, इमेजिनेशन सबके पास होता है, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कम्युनिकेशन।
Yes, sir.
कम्युनिकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड बाय एंड लार्ज ये जो कम्युनिकेशन होता है इंग्लिश में होता है। योर इंग्लिश इज क्वाइट गुड, आई थिंक आपकी कॉन्फिडेंस उतनी अच्छी नहीं है, योर इंग्लिश इज वेरी गुड, बट यू हैव टू, because in most game companies, and I'm assuming that someday you want to work for big companies, you want to work for AAA companies, you want to work for international teams, right? I'm sure you want
Yes,
to do
sir.
that. So in that case you will have to communicate in English, and your English has to be good, and not just that, you have to be confident. So you have to, if you want to be a designer, you have to really work on your communication skills. Not that you're bad, I think you're quite good, you know, in our conversation.
Yes, sir.
Only thing you have, a lot of people have the same problem ki, you know, they're a little bit hesitant to speak English. They think, oh, my English is not that good. Your English is good, don't worry about it, okay?
Yes,
Your
sir.
English is absolutely fine, you just need to speak confidently. I know many game designers who with a lot of experience, who are there in the industry, whose English is not as good as you. It's just a question of confidence. वो क्या बोलते
Yes,
हैं, वो
sir.
आई कैन वाक इंग्लिश टाक इंग्लिश, क्या बोलता है अमिताभ बच्चन, वो पिक्चर में बोलता है ना, आई कैन वाक इंग्लिश टाक इंग्लिश, यू हैव टू डू दैट, बिंदास बोलने का, ठीक है।
Okay.
सो दैट्स इट। सो एज ए डिजाइनर दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू शोकेस, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर जो आप डिजाइनर बनना चाहते हो, अगर जो आपके पास दूसरी स्किल्स भी हो, if you know 3D art, if you know 3D modeling, if you know modeling, texturing, you know, you have a good understanding of game art principles, that is very good. If you also know how to write code, then my friend, you are in the top 5% of designers. If you can do art, if you can do code, and if you can design, then you are in the top 1%, 2%. I don't know how to write code. I am a designer. I wish I could know how to write code. I can, but I'm not good at it and I don't like it. Okay? So if you want to be a designer and you know some art and you know some programming, that is a very, very big plus for you. That will really
Yes, sir.
go to your advantage. So yes, so this is essentially what design is, and this is what you have to do to be a designer. Okay, so does that answer your question?
Yes, sir. On that, I have further question. Like, we have to write the game design documents.
Yes.
So, in game design documents, do we have to mention each and every small details? Like, if there is a tree in the, like, I am creating an a small mini world game.
Mhm.
So, do we have to mention that whether how the road length will be, or how many houses will be there, each and
No,
every
no, no,
details,
no,
or
no, no, no.
overview just?
For you have to not explain the game world in sense of what is going to be there. You just have to say that if there is any interaction with the tree,
Yes, sir.
if you can do something, if you can go and you can chop down a tree or talk to a tree or interact with a tree, then you have to say what interaction is there with the tree. Okay.
Okay, like
Then
what
there is a
interactions
yes.
are there with the objects?
the objects, right? Now, when it comes to where the trees are, how many trees are there, that is part of the game world design, or also known as level design. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that is also game design discipline, but that will not be there in the game design document. Probably you'll have some level sketches, right? And
Yes,
normally
sir.
once you reach alpha, once you have implemented the code, then you start building the levels of your game, right? So no need to write how many trees are going to be there and how long the road is going to be there, because that is already going to be, you are going to build that when you are making the game. So that doesn't have to be in the game design document. The game design, in fact, in my website, upyourgame.com, I in under resources tab, you there are some templates for game design
Yes, sir.
document. You can actually download that and you'll understand what a game design document is. Okay, you can download a game design document template and it'll help you to understand what a game design document looks like. So so that's it. You have to explain the interactions and not the game world.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So next, I would like to ask, like, currently, like, I have learning game development since past 10 months,
Okay.
and I was thinking, like, can I now apply for the internships? I have applied for few internship
Mm-hmm.
roles as a game
Right.
designer.
Okay.
So, but I'm not getting the feedback or reply back from the
Okay.
companies.
Right. So have you released any games?
So the Flappy Bird, which I have told, like, I've released small games, just recreation of the game.
But have you released it to the App Store?
Yes, sir. It's in the Play Store.
Okay. Okay. So is it basically the mechanics are exactly the same as Flappy Bird?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So firstly, to be considered by somebody else, to be considered as a game maker, and what role have you applied for? Were you applying for game developer role, game designer's role? What role
So
were you
game.
applying?
So I was applying for game designers role.
So if you have shown that you have developed, if you have shown that you have programmed a Flappy Bird, that doesn't give you any game design experience. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
I'll be very honest with you. If you want to be a game designer, you will have to. You mentioned that you play hyper casual games,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Now, hyper casual games are a very shallow game genre. To be honest with you, Aman,
Yes, sir.
मतलब उसमें कुछ डेप्थ नहीं होती, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
as a game designer, you have to firstly you have to play a lot of games. You have to
Yeah.
play games which are more complex. It's okay if you only play mobile games. Ideally, you should start slowly. You should start playing some PC games. You should start playing more complex mobile games which are not hyper casual games. Because if you want to be a designer, you have to understand you have to understand game
Mechanics.
mechanics in some depth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and not only do you have to understand, you have to show that you understand. So if somebody wants to hire you as a game designer and you have made a Flappy Bird game which इसमें तो कोई design है ही नहीं, somebody else has done the design of the game,
Yes, sir.
somebody else has designed the game and you've just cloned it, so
Yes, sir.
it doesn't show any understanding of game design.
So I
Okay,
have one more game, like the recently developed for Blackthorn pod game. So
but is it something that it's from your Udemy Coursera course, right?
no, it's not from Udemy. We developed it from scratch.
Okay, so that was the one you were saying for your game jam, right?
Yes, sir. It was
Okay,
one for game jam.
so that particular game, now I haven't seen that game. Now but you were saying you did the art for that, right?
Yes, sir. I did the art and lightings for that.
So then you didn't do the design for that. So
Yes, sir.
if you want to get a job as a game designer, you have to show that you understand design, right? You
Okay,
have to
sir.
demonstrate to people that you understand the design of a game. Before that, you have to show that you have an understanding of design as a player before you become you. So you have to go from gamer to maker But first you have to be a gamer. Okay, now if you wanted to be a game developer, if you wanted to be a game programmer, I would say it's okay. You can, with the present, by playing hyper casual games, you can get a job as a game programmer. That's all. But if you want to go in for game design, you have to understand, you have to go more deep into games,
Yes, sir.
and you have to start understanding them much more deep. Okay, so right now, if you apply to companies as a game developer, you have a much better chance than you have as a game designer.
Sir, I haven't get the reply back for the same position also. Like for developers, there were very few positions in
Right.
a lot of companies. I mainly searched on LinkedIn the
Mm-hmm.
positions.
Mm-hmm.
So there were very few positions, but I'm not getting reply back from the companies.
Yes. So your for that your resume and your LinkedIn profile is really important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can share, if you can share your screen, you can show me your LinkedIn profile.
Yes, sir, I can. So wait a minute.
So before we go any further, now if you are brand new, you don't know what's going on, you don't know where to start, or maybe you're already doing a game course and you're still confused about what to do, or maybe you're already in the game industry and you want to know how to take your career further, you can also apply for a one-on-one mentoring session like this with me on the Gamer to Make a helpline. And to do that, all you have to do is apply in the form which I have given you in the description of this video.
So this is my profile. So yes, sir.
Okay, just go up. Go up, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, go up. Right. So you have, if you're going to apply to companies, firstly you got to change your profile picture from being somebody who's playing a game to somebody who looks like he can work at a company. Here you look like some guy who's just playing video games, right?
Okay,
Try
sir.
and have a more professional looking picture of yourself. Secondly, you can, instead of I mean, you are a student, you can call yourself a game developer. You're a game developer right now, right?
Yes,
You're a game
sir.
programmer. So in your profile, mention that you're a game programmer, right? It's despite the
Yes, sir.
despite the fact that you're a student, what you are is you're a game programmer because you've actually programmed some games. Okay, then
Yes.
you need to have a highlight where you show your games.
Yes, sir.
You need to show your games. Okay, and where you are showing the games that you have made, and you need to have a link to them.
So I have I have created. So like in the post also I have created. This was
So this has to be no. So this is not post. Nahi chalega. You have to have a place where you highlight your project. You create a big project over there. You create a highlight where you put your project, and then you talk about it. You talk about what you learned from it. You talk about how you made it, what your learnings were, so that people understand that you know this stuff. You have to highlight it much more. Okay, so
okay,
your
sir.
LinkedIn profile needs a lot of work. It needs a lot
Yes,
of
sir.
work. Okay, secondly, I would also, like, you need to have a look at your resume. I haven't seen your resume, so do have a look and make sure that your resume is focused, and you have to headline. Don't be I'm a student. You have to say, okay, you can stop the stream now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to say that you're a programmer, right? You're a game developer and not a student. This is what you have to tell them, and then your chances will improve. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
you should keep working on projects. Keep doing this. Now I promise you, at
Yes,
some
sir. Like
point, you'll get a job, you'll get what you want. But don't stop working on projects. Make small projects the way you have made for a game jam. So the project which you have made from a game jam, take that and work on it. Make it a bit more complex. Use whatever design skills you have, use whatever programming skills you have to make that game and that project more complex. Add on to it, improve upon it, release it once again, work on it. Don't worry about downloads, don't worry about making money with it. Just यूज इट, जैसे जिम में हम डंबल यूज करते हैं ना मसल्स
sir.
बनाने के लिए, तो आपकी गेम जैम वाली गेम को आप यूज करो अपने डेवलपमेंट एंड डिजाइन मसल्स बनाने के लिए, समझे?
Yes, sir.
उसी पे
Yes,
काम
sir.
करो और उसको शोकेस करो, लोगों को बताओ, ब्लॉग पोस्ट लिखो, ये सीखा मैंने ये किया, मेरे पास ये, आई वाज हैविंग दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड देन हाउ डिड आई सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम, राइट? डिजाइन में
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, मुझे प्रोग्रामिंग में कोई नया फीचर बनाना था, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, फिर मैंने ऐसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया, मैंने ऐसे फीचर बनाया. सो दिस इज व्हाट पीपल वांट टू हियर. पीपल वांट टू सी व्हाट, ये नहीं कि मतलब तुम क्लोन तो यार कोई भी बना सकता है.
हाँ
आप
सर
में
सही.
आप में स्पेशल क्या है, आप गेम डिजाइन, आप गेम प्रोग्रामिंग की आप में क्या समझ है, ठीक है? सो आई वुड से एट दिस पॉइंट यू आर क्लोजर टू गेटिंग अ जॉब एज अ गेम डेवलपर और अ प्रोग्रामर देन यू आर एट अ डिजाइनर. इफ यू वांट टू बी अ डिजाइनर, ठीक है, तो गेम्स खेलना शुरू करो, play
Yes,
more
sir.
games and understand. Till then you can try to apply for game developer positions. Okay, showcase your projects better, write about
Yes.
it, ठीक है? Write about your projects, write about what you learned, showcase them broadly, and even in your resume, make sure you have a link to the app store or link
Yes,
to
sir.
a blog post where you are writing about it, okay? And your resume has to be very very clear, the formatting has to be clear, spelling mistakes should not be there. So you have to really work hard on your resume, okay? And also try to find some contacts in game studios. सिर्फ लोगों को इंटरनेट पे लिखने से चांसेस हैं, but it will take you longer if you can build a network, right? If you can build a
Yes, sir.
network of people in the game industry, hopefully when people see this video is going to be on YouTube, and when people, if you send me your LinkedIn profile, I'll put it in the description of the video,
Yes.
right? And if you have any portfolio, anything like that, game links, etc.,
I
send it
have
to me. I'll put it
I have my website.
yeah, I'll put it in the links to link to this, the description of this video. So this is what you need to do, okay? Does that
Yes,
answer your
sir.
question?
Yes, sir. Sir, for the blog, I have my website in which
Mm-hmm.
I have just posted the WebGL format of the games,
Okay.
which I have developed in the assignment phase.
Right.
Like in the Coursera assignment, which I have developed, I have the WebGL format. I have uploaded it there. Also,
Mm-hmm.
in my resume, I mentioned the link for them. The current projects which I have worked on,
Mm-hmm.
I have mentioned that. So
ठीक
one
है.
thing I have to ask,
हाँ.
sir, is it good or bad practice to stuck in YouTube tutorials?
YouTube tutorial तो ठीक है. It's a good way to start यार. Also, another option which you have is to do a course. There is only so much that you can learn on your own, to be honest with you. If you
Yes, sir.
want to go a little bit further, you need, it's a good idea to actually do a course. So you can consider actually doing a short course in game development. That will really bring you into contact with a lot of people, with instructors, with other people who make games, and it will bring you into the gaming ecosystem. अभी आप काफी अलग से हो, आप गेमिंग में किसी को जानते नहीं हो, आप यूट्यूब ट्यूटोरियल से पढ़ रहे हो. I think maybe your first contact with somebody from the gaming industry is with me now,
Yes,
right?
sir.
तो ये आप, you need to expand that, ठीक है? You need to expand that, right? So that is also an option for you. You should think about that as well, because आप जितना धिक्के मार मार के आप 2-3 साल में सीखोगे ना, वो आप एक झटके में सीख जाओगे जल्दी से.
Yes.
गेमिंग कोर्स का वो फायदा होता है.
But the problem was like, to be honestly, I'm not so financially stable. Like I can take a diploma course right now.
हम्म.
So that's why I'm using mainly YouTube tutorials
हाँ,
for
नहीं
learning
नहीं
purpose.
नहीं नहीं, आपकी बात सही है, बिकॉज पैसे लगते हैं. इट्स स्टिल द कोर्स
Yes,
फीस,
sir.
एंड नॉट ओनली कोर्स फीस, यू हैव टू कम, यू हैव टू स्टे, एंड काफी खर्चा होता है. अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सो यूट्यूब ट्यूटोरियल्स तो ठीक हैं, लेकिन यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट बॉस, राइट? आपको
Yes, sir.
पूरी की पूरी गेम बनानी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि गेम बनाने में ना, पूरी गेम बनाने में ना, यूट्यूब ट्यूटोरियल्स के बियॉन्ड जाना पड़ता है. उसमें दिमाग
Uh,
लगाना पड़ता है कि सिर्फ यूट्यूब ट्यूटोरियल्स, आपको खुद की गेम बनाने के लिए थोड़ा अपना डिजाइन का फंडा लगाना पड़ेगा. क्या बनाऊंगा मैं, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट. आप क्लोन्स कब तक बनाओगे? व्हेन यू
yes,
स्टार्ट
sir.
डिजाइनिंग समथिंग सिंपल, लाइक आपने फ्लैपी बर्ड का क्लोन बनाया, उसमें शूटिंग डाल दो, पिकअप्स डाल दो,
Uh,
right? If you do that, then you are doing some design. Then
Yes,
to
sir.
implement that, आपको दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. वो एग्जैक्ट चीज के लिए आपको कोई YouTube ट्यूटोरियल मिलेगा नहीं. आपको इस ट्यूटोरियल से उस ट्यूटोरियल से सब सीख साख के आपको सब कुछ साथ उसमें तो दिमाग लगेगा ही.
हाँ.
वो लर्निंग होती है.
So
वो
for that, I am currently developing a game for the Unity sponsored game, the Lego Game Jam.
हाँ हाँ, तो दैट्स इट,
So
दैट्स द एग्जैक्ट पाथ. इसी पाथ में आप जाओ, इसी पाथ में आप जाओ. गेम्स, द ओनली वे टू लर्न हाउ टू मेक वीडियो गेम्स इज टू मेक देम. ठीक है,
yes, sir.
बनाओ गेम. कितनी भी बकवास हो शुरू शुरू में, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. गेम बनाते जाओ. लंबी लंबी मत बनाओ, एक एक दो दो साल मत लगाओ. दो दो तीन तीन महीने में एक गेम बनाओ. और थोड़ी ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स गेम्स बनाते जाओ, बनाते जाओ, बनाते जाओ. अपने पोर्टफोलियो पे काम करो, अपने लिंक्डइन पे काम करो, लोगों को रेज्यूमे भेजते जाओ, अप्लाई करो. 100% आपको नौकरी मिलेगी एंड यू विल बी पार्ट ऑफ द गेम इंडस्ट्री. 100%. सिर्फ वक्त की बात है.
Thank you, sir. Sir, and बस ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन होगा मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली. सर लाइक आपने बोले थे कि कॉन्टेक्ट्स बनाओ गेम इंडस्ट्री में.
कॉन्टैक्ट्स,
For
हाँ.
me, I don't know anyone in this industry. Like you said, it was my first contact with you, or you were the first person to
Right.
talk with some in the industry. So how can I build more contacts?
लाइक दिस ओनली. आपने मुझे मैसेज लिखी, पता नहीं कब लिंक्डइन पे मैसेज लिखी, आज मैंने जाके देखी. मैंने,
Yes, sir.
राइट. सो ऐसे आप कोशिश करनी पड़ती है बॉस. 90% रिजेक्शन मिलेंगे, 95% रिजेक्शन मिलेंगे, 5% चांस मिलेगा आपको. ऐसे ही करना है
Yes,
आपको. यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्राई. ऑल्सो ट्राई टू गो फॉर द गेम कॉन्फ्रेंस. हैदराबाद में एक गेम कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है हर साल. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स लास्ट ईयर इट वाज ऑनलाइन, लेकिन अगर इस साल भी 2020 में ट्राई टू कम फॉर द गेम कॉन्फ्रेंस. ओके.
yes, sir.
आप नागपुर में रहते हो, देखो आसपास में आपके वहां पे कोई गेम डेवलपर्स हैं, कोई कम्युनिटी है. लोगों से मिलो, लोगों को जानो, लोगों को मैसेज भेजो. डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर्स में जाओ. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
काफी सारे डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर्स हैं ऑफ कम्युनिटीज. एक देयर इज अ gamedev.in डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर. ओके. gamedev.in के डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर को ज्वाइन करो. सो दिस इज हाउ यू गेट टू नो पीपल, इंटरेक्ट विद पीपल. सो बी रिस्पेक्टफुल, ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व. फंडे ज्यादा मत मारो, सीखो. Right.
Yes.
And try and attend the game conference. If you can attend it physically, that's great. If you can't attend it physically, at least online is fine. Reach out to people, and that's how slowly आपका network बढ़ेगा. And of course, if you can afford it somehow, कहीं से to do a gaming course, इससे तो gaming course करने से तो suddenly network पूरा बन जाता है, because you suddenly come into contact with a lot of students and faculty and all that kind of thing.
Yes, sir. No more questions.
Okay. All right, Amma, thank you for coming on, and I hope it was helpful to you, and I wish you all the best. And you're a very dedicated, dedicated, passionate boy, and all the best for your future. And I hope to see you working as a designer for some game company someday.
Thank you, sir. It was amazing it was overwhelmed to talk with you. I was overwhelmed. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. All the best. Bye.